Hi, I'm David, and today we are doing some spooky science experiments. And the one that we're going to be trying today is we're going to be making some spooky slime. So to do this, you're going to need some different ingredients. The first thing is you need some corn flour. You need to have a bowl to mix things in. You also need a spoon for doing your stirring and some food colouring. So this is going to help to make mine a nice orange spooky colour. So I've got some red and some yellow food colouring. I've got some eyedroppers as well. And you can also get food colouring that you can squirt in as well. They're sometimes a little bit easier, just depends on what you can get at the shops. And I've also got a jug of water over here for my mixing. And the last thing you're going to need is some mix-ins to make it a little bit spooky. So think about what Halloween decorations you have at home, whatever you can find at the shops. I've got some bugs and insects over here and some skulls and rats in this one as well. So let's get making. The first thing you want to do is tip your corn flour into your bowl. Now this can get a bit messy, so maybe have a grown-up nearby just in case. Alright, I have my corn flour in my bowl. Then I'm going to add in some food colouring to my water. So I want to make mine a nice orange colour. So I'm going to first of all use my eyedropper to add in some yellow. Here we go. A nice yellow. Give it a bit of a mix. There we go. Now to make it orange, I'm going to add in some red as well. So you can add the food colouring into your corn flour if you want, but I find it a little bit easier colouring your water first of all. Alright, here we get some red. There we go. Now you probably don't want too much of the red, because otherwise it will go too dark. There we go, that's looking pretty good. Alright, so the next step now is we're going to add our coloured water into our bowl of corn flour. Are you ready? Here we go. So carefully pour it in. And you don't have to use all your water, you can use that for other experiments too. Or if you want to make more slime as well, that's totally okay as well. So give it a really good mix. And as you're mixing the slime, you might notice it start to do some different things. So it's starting to get a bit thicker. So when we mix corn flour and water together, it actually starts to get thicker, which is really cool. And hopefully we'll start to get it turning into some slime soon. Oh, it's going to get messy. So it's still a bit dry and crumbly, so I'm going to add a little bit more water to my bowl over here. There we go. And we'll start mixing it around. Oh, really good mix. There we go. And you'll know when it's right because you should be able to bounce your spoon off the top of your bowl. So it's almost getting to that right consistency for me now. It's very oozy. There we go, and you can see it dripping and oozing off my spoon there as well. How cool is that? So to make it a little bit more spooky, I'm going to add in some of my mix-in. So I've got some spiders, so I'll add a spider in. You can see him kind of disappearing under the surface of the slime there. I'm going to also add in a couple of skulls and some different bugs and things. How cool is that? So you can try this at home. Fantastic. Here we go. Ugh, how oozy and gross is that, everybody? Fantastic. So I hope you have fun making your slime, and we'll catch you next time at Science Space. Oh, look at that spider. Bye, everybody.